This is Matt, and this is a quick video on how to export from Bolt. So I'm on bolt.new. This is one of the, well, it's one of the ones that I consider the best AI online kind of coding tool. So I explained in a previous video I created, it's just a basic roofing service website. There's not much going on here. It's mostly just front end and front facing. I explained in a previous video that I like to sometimes create front ends for websites, apps and different stuff I'm working on in Bolt or something like Lovable. And then what I do is I export the files, the actual code, which you can see here, it's all exposed. Here I like to take this code and actually put it into something like Cursor or Windsurf. So how do you do that? How do you actually export? Well, they make it pretty easy as far as connecting GitHub. So here is Bolt. This is obviously a project I'm inside. So once you've actually created your website, whatever that website is, like I say, this is a very straightforward service business website. Come up to the very top and we can click on Connect Project to GitHub. So we now name the repository. Now, if you haven't already, I already have my GitHub all synced up here. If you haven't already got that, you're going to want to sync that up. It's just straightforward. I mean, you just literally click a button and just like that, the magic of GitHub works and it's all synced up. So GitHub's free and bolt.new, the builder that I'm using here is all free as well. You can obviously go for a paid plan, but I'm just using a free plan. It's pretty good. So if we just call this roofing, as that is what the site is. So now you click on create repository. And just like that, it has created the repository. So within my GitHub, I will now have a roofing website. And now I've just come into my GitHub and just in my the main section of my GitHub, I have this roofing one right here. And then all we need to do is just click on this green button. There's a drop down and we will go download zip. Click on that. That will download the zip to your downloads. I'm on a Mac, so it'll go straight into the downloads folder. And then I have a zip. I open a zip and I've got a folder with all of these files. So it will be a full working version of the site that I just showed you on Bolt. So that's how you export out of Bolt. And then you can just open that whole folder in Cursor or whatever your VS Code, Windsurf, whatever you use for your editing. And you're good to go. You've got your website. You can start to create things outside of Bolt. You don't have any limitations caps. You could use something like an AI tool like Cursor or Windsurf outside of Bolt, and you are kind of free, I guess, to develop as you wish. So hopefully you found this video on how to export from Bolt helpful. If you found this video useful, then give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.